I think I found a herd over there. Come in. Wait for me, Mommy. Baby, you have to stop falling on me. Sorry. Keep falling. Do you know where the lead stallion is? The lead stallion? The lead stallion? Yes. Oh, he's right there. Thank you so much. Sir? Oh, wait. What? I think you might know him. Who? Oh, sorry, baby. Yeah, it's okay. It's Rocky. Rocky, whatever. Rocky? Rocky, is that really you? Rocky? Why do you ask? Because it's me, Cloud. Cloud? Where have you been, Cloud? I was taken away by humans. Humans. There's humans around here? Yes. Well, why didn't you tell me? I was taken away and I had no chance. Where's Star? Oh, here she is. She's coming. Hi, Daddy. Oh, Star. You two are more than welcome. More than welcome to join. Thank you so much. Yep. Now you two go ahead and find your friends. Oh, sure. And why do you guys live so close to humans? Well, it's a long story, but I'll make it brief. So, one day, there were two stallions, and one day they were wandering around, and well, that lady right there caught them, and she strangled them to the ground like this. Really? Really? Yes. And well, then, after she did that, that lady, right there, yeah, she didn't look too mean. Well, she was. She killed two stallions in one day. And I have no idea why. But that's the end. And then she made her little house, barn. She has a stallion now. Oh. Yeah. So now that's how life is nowadays. Cool. Yeah. Daddy? Yes, sir? Where's Blackie? Well, he's actually... Oh, he's right there. Rocky? Yes? Never mind. Okay. Blackie, come in. Come down. Your sister missed you. Hi, Blackie. Hi, Star. Yeah, that wasn't really funny. You know that, right? Oh, I just wanted to play. Oh, it's fine. Okay. Run. Go! Now! Come on. Ah! Ow! You tripped me. Ah! Everyone's falling. Go! Now! Hide somewhere. Go. There's stallions coming. Oh no. We'll stay right here. Okay. This is gonna be hard. Hurry, I'm ready to take my herd back. I'm ready to take my herd back. Don't you mean my herd? No, of course not, silly. Why would this be your herd? It's my herd. Is not. Is two. Is not. Is two. Ugh! What happened to her leg? Ah, long story. I don't want to talk to you right now. Get away. Leave me and my herd alone. Fine. Just remember, I'm watching you. Ugh. Okay.